Obviously not the ideal start in the tournament with the first game. Thought we had great opportunities to win that game and unfortunately did not. And then sometimes in a series like this, when you don't take those opportunities, they sort of seem to come back and bite you. But luckily we did find a way to bounce back and to play a good game of cricket against Australia. It's never easy against them. It's always a competitive game of cricket, and it was exactly the same the other night. Both teams were there to win, and luckily for us, we found a way to end up on top. It's very pleasing to me the way we bowled in the first two games. Not only with the spin, the unit in the whole, and also in the field. I spoke to the guys earlier today and complimented them on the maturity we showed as a team, especially in the field with the ball in hand. I was very, very pleased with that. Seamers were right on the mark. Didn't really give the batters a lot to work with. Very few bad balls, and did exactly as I asked them when I did communicate with them in between overs. They followed through with the plan, so very chuffed with that. It looks a little bit definitely better than Guyana. I was expecting higher scores, there's no doubt about that. Pretty short boundaries. The stats in the past say it's higher scoring ground as well, so expecting something different, and obviously a little bit better to bat on, and maybe an extra seamer might have to come back. But still, the spinners did a fantastic job against Australia, and definitely an area we'll be looking to expose again. Unfortunately, our balance won't allow us to go in with only two seamers on this ground, which once again the past says that seamers do a pretty good job over here. We're still deciding. My mind's not made up with that, but probably looking to let one of the spinners out. We'll see what happens. That's the problem. A spinner can get away with 4 or 5 run over, but there's always that one that the batter gets to. And over here, it's not. It's half a hit and it's over the ropes. It's 6 runs. So I think we'll have to maybe bring a pacer back, but still in discussion with that. Faf will be back. Nice stability there again at number 3. Riley did a fantastic job in the first 2 games that he played in, but Faf's been the old campaigner there for us, and always a reliant guy to have there at number 3. So looking forward to getting back at number 3 and scoring some runs. It always does. There's no doubt about it. Any victory against opposition leaves a little bit of a scar. I can tell you that I've never had an easy game against Australia in my entire career, and that's because of results, good wins, bad losses. It sort of tends to stay with you, and it just gets the juices flowing whenever you play against that opposition. So the juices are always flowing when the two teams collide, and that's the way it should be.